Kung gusto mong kumita ng extra o bumuo ng multiple income streams dito sa Pilipinas, nasa tamang video ka. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang 7 income streams na pwede mong simulan kahit beginner ka, kahit maliit lang ang puhunan, at kahit may full-time job ka. Pili ka lang ng isa, at simulan mo na today. Freelancing, online skills. Kung marunong ka mag-edit ng video, graphic design, social media management, data entry, o kahit basic admin tasks, pwede ka nang mag-freelancing. Platforms na pwede mong subukan. Freelance marketplaces, Facebook groups, direct clients, tip, start small, build portfolio, then taasan ang rate mo. Online selling, Shopee, Lazada, FB Marketplace. Isa sa pinakamadaling simulan. Pwede kang mag-resell ng products o mag-dropshipping. Pwede mong ibenta, trending items, beauty products, gadgets, accessories, ukay o local products. Tip, hanap ng product na may demand at magandang supplier. YouTube content creation. Pwede kang gumawa ng educational videos, storytelling, finance tips, o faceless videos gamit AI tools. Kapag na-monetize ka, kikita ka sa ads, sponsorship, affiliate links. Tip, consistency is key, kahit simple lang ang setup. Digital products, gumawa ng e-books, templates, online courses, Notion planners. Once ginawa mo, pwede itong kumita kahit natutulog ka. Tip, solve a specific problem ng audience. Investing, stocks, crypto, funds. Maganda ito for long-term wealth. Kahit maliit na amount monthly, malaking tulong sa future. Tip, mag-aral muna bago mag-invest. Iwas FOMO. Affiliate marketing. Mag-promote ka ng products, may commission ka sa bawat sale. Pwede sa TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, blogs. Tip, promote products na talagang useful. Small service business. Simple services na mataas ang demand. Printing, loading business, cleaning services, errand services, basic tech support. Tip, start sa community mo para mabilis ang clients. Hindi mo kailangan gawin lahat, pumili ka lang ng isa at mag-focus. Remember, ang goal ay magkaroon ng multiple income streams para mas secure ang future mo. Kung gusto mo ng mas maraming tips tungkol sa pag-build ng income at financial growth, like, subscribe, at comment kung alin dito ang gusto mong simulan. Kita-kits sa next video.